I want to show you guys the box. There we go. Cancer reproductive ham. Oh no, that's the worst kind. Ham. Oh, government warnings. Oh, you people in California, watch out for that cancer reproductive ham. Oh, what does that even mean? What's in the box? Let's see. This is the California dealer. Check out his cylinders. Got your basic bubble wrap. You got your basic rings. Circlip C's. E's or G's. Yellow dot. Yellow dot is China, not Taiwan. It's a 12 millimeter. Let's check out the inside of the cylinder. 56 millimeter bore. Let's check the sides. There we go. Check the smoothness of the transfer. Smoothness of that. They didn't even coat the inside there. Oh, I hate that. Didn't coat the inside there. Coated the outside. Thanks, guys. Lots of room to cut the squish. Holy cow, that's a ton. There's the ring of death. Nice angle though. I like that angle. That is nice transfer angle. Show that on the other side. Straight drop. Like wee waterfall. Or a log ride. Intake, nice megaphone effect. Let's check the piston. And that's the 660. Give me your hand. Chewy has the ring. And let me get a few measurements. Over here, Chewy. Make sure they didn't juke me. When I get juked, hit the focus button. Within 400ths. Okay, this is what I like to know. What's our skirt distance? How big of a skirt? Ooh, we got an extra 1 millimeter on the skirt. Oh.
Okay, we'll do a couple of things.
Okay. Wow. Good squishy cutting material there. We've got 3 inches to play with. Or 3 millimeters, not 3 inches. That's like... That is like... That is from the roof to the top, 3 millimeters down to the bottom of the rib. And then let's get our drop. Piston drop is 30. How about that? Sweet. Okay, piston drop's 30. Let's drop it in there. Let's grab some oil first. Hit the focus button. Keep hitting the focus button. Okay, look at the arrow. It's always going to point to the exhaust side. Holy cow. Ah, wow, that's deep. Okay, since we already know the depth of the piston, we can get this measurement now. Clear it. Clear. There we go. Bam. 40 from the drop minus the squish, which will be, that piston is not perfectly designed for the cylinder at all. Okay. Let's see how far we're sticking out. At 0. That's my 0 point. Meaning I stick my finger in there and that is level to the top of the exhaust. Just like that. Okay, well, let's get that measurement. Well, it's going to be hard. Can I eyeball that and say 1/16 of an inch. But what I'm talking about is this right here, 1/16 of an inch. Hey, but that's a 56 millimeter 660 box opening. Fun stuff. Here's our part number and model. Happy building, guys.